Hi guys, so we are at Rowston level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Caleb 5. It sounds a little bit better, less bouncy when it's wet. There we go, time is 20:25 on Tuesday, Monday the 20th of July 2015. This is for hour 20, whatever it is. 2 Sierra 29 is with the train service from Nottingham to Skegness. It's diverted. And my iPad is dead. What a great time for it to die. And Matthew is recording on Skype for me. Because he wants to get this as well. You still there, Matthew?
Yeah.
Good.
Hopefully this turns out well.
Yeah, hopefully no calls or texts. If you can, just text Andrew. Do not text Joe. On a different device.
I'm afraid I can't because I've got it full screen or else it won't record for me.
Phone. When you type into message on your phone, do not text and do not text Joe.
Joe, I sort of can't because I'm holding both hands on my headset and camera, or else it'll drop and go lopsided. We've just got to hope for the best.
Yes. My mum rings.
So, I mean, he just messaged me saying something like he won't text, so...
There she is. If Andrew wants to ruin it, then he just texts me. Because this is his YouTube videos as well.
Yeah. Please.
Right, here she is.
156 or 158? Right, the track's rating is just a 6, not anything else we've got. Luckily not 158, 780.
156! 414!
156, 414.
156, 414 Skegness, and... There you go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.